Big day here. Lots of parts came in for the F-150. I'm excited for today. It's gonna be a good day on this rebuild. Let's go. Bed goes on. We gotta put the intake on. Get that window fixed. And we're driving this thing tonight, I think. And just black the whole fucking thing out. Driving this thing tonight, guys. We gotta get that window fixed. The girls.
I'm gonna walk it right here, and then we get on the side of it. And then, yeah. Okay. Make sure we're both cracking that. You gonna walk it straight up now? Straight up now.
Move that jack out of the way more.
Yeah, this is starting to look like a real truck again. I'm sorry, to get the bed mounted, but it's 6 bolts to mount the bed, but only had 4 of them, so oh well.
Find me the size for the nut.
No, it shouldn't be. Go do it.
I was just waiting for me. My hand slipped, smacked Donnie in the face. Hopefully you would have been a good sport about it. Hold it. Go ahead and get the front shocks replaced, but due to copyright reasons, I can't put any music here. So
And just like that, shocks are replaced.
Man, I don't give a fuck about that battery tray.
You gotta bolt it down.
It's not like I'm gonna be jumping train tracks tonight in this thing.
We'll just use a zip tie.
Well, you can fucking zip tie it if you want. I'm not jumping train tracks tonight.
Ha. Night's young, my friend.
We made it to the gas station.
Who sings this?
Girl feels are never far away.
We drove the piss out of that truck all night long, but we need some breakfast in the morning. Sammy's, we have another issue, but we'll get to that.
Where am I?
Oh, if you can't tell, my foot's all the way to the floor with no brake pressure. I'm in.
We'll buy one of them next.
Exploder?
And it goes right here. Pop that.
We're not sure, but I think the brake line busted.
Oh, it goes.
Ooh, this might get spicy.
Oh, you got it.
Oh.
Drums.
I was like, this might get spicy, guys. Hold on.
Well, we have a running, driving, street legal truck. So, on to the next project. Like, follow, share for more.